What's up guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to show you how you can purchase a funded account yeah, with FXIFY. Guys, I always tell you FXIFY is one of the best platforms you can ever sign up with in this industry. I know right now like platforms are everywhere. People are just talking about platforms, and now platforms have started taking advantage since the demand is very high, and other scammers are other platforms now have become scammers, now taking advantage to take your money, delay paying you, bring this and that, just making your trading complicated, making you lose everything. Guys, I have seen it, and I want to guarantee you that FXIFY is one of those best platforms, because like back in the days there was this best platform that was so popular and is still popular even right now, and it still stands out amongst the best, and which is FTMO. And from what I have observed, guys, like this platform FXIFY came in like FTMO because it has just came in this year at the beginning, and it actually like offered almost the same services as FTMO, but it has just made it actually like flexible for traders to make it like just to make it flexible a little bit so that people can actually get the chance to get funded in the easiest way. Because one of the best things about this platform is that it is so smart, but it has no rules, like crazy rules. Don't do this, don't do that, don't do that. In as far as I'm concerned, guys, with this platform, right? In as far as I'm concerned with this platform, what I know is that they only have like two rules that are really crazy that you need to follow them. The first one is respect the daily drawdown, which is the 5%, and the other one is the max drawdown, which is 10%. Guys, just trade anyhow you can do, but don't break these two rules, otherwise you're gonna lose your trading account. These are the only rules. You can actually enter a trade with whatsoever lot size, you can trade with no stop loss or whatsoever you can do. But this platform, guys, is nice. I'm not just talking, but I have been trading with this platform. This platform has paid me money, and let me just show you. We need to see, don't just talk, show us certificates. Guys, this is my certificate, right? This is my certificate from this same platform, and this is my payout that I actually got from this platform. Guys, I'm not just saying, I'm actually talking of things that are real. Okay, so these are my two certificate. The other one is a passing certificate, other one is a payout certificate. So right now let's go in detail on how can you purchase this account. Okay, so we'll go on start challenge right there, start a new challenge. So these are actually like the accounts that are available. There is a 15k, a 25k, a 50k, 100k, 200k, and 400k. Guys, all these accounts are really good. It just depends on how much budget you have, but for a start I'll just give an example of the first one. So there's actually like two phases. There's a one phase, there's a two phase. So normally if you're really good at trading and you know you're trading very well, you can go with the one phase. But if you're not, then I would recommend you guys to go with the two phase. Like I always go with the two phase. So yeah, we'll go with the two phase. So next you need to choose your account. So you can actually choose 100k. Guys, these accounts are also cheaper. Let me tell you one thing, they're also cheaper, right? And FXIFY has got very crazy discounts that are always offering to their clients, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So here I'll choose the cheapest, which is 15k, which most people buy this challenge. And next, let's come here, MT4, MT5. I prefer MT5. Why? Because I just love MT5, right? So next we're going on what? Spreads and all in commission. So these two spreads are different, right? If you want me to make a separate video about the differences, I'm gonna do that, but right now I'll just tell you that low spreads are the best. Okay, so next we're add-ons. Yeah, they also have add-ons. So if you want to like have a larger leverage, you can actually just tap there. You add 25%, which means you'd actually increase the price crazy. So guys, the leverage that is already there is just enough for you. Don't bother going for this 25%, but if you want, you can do it. Yeah, so you can also increase your your profit spread. It's fine, it's okay, you can do it. Yeah, but I don't do that. Yeah, and bi-weekly, I always check this one, guys. I want to be paid almost every week, so yeah, I always check the bi-weekly. All right, so next you just have to fill up information right here, and this is the amount of a 15k. So there's this code. If you use this code, guys, social 15k, right? Social 15k, it will actually give you a crazy discount. You see, it actually give you a crazy discount. So this is actually like a discount that we are having on this platform, guys. This is amazing. Like, this account, instead of buying it at 103, we are buying it at 62.37, which means it's actually great. The next thing you can do is hit next and proceed with payment. All right, if you guys are really enjoying the video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you guys don't want to like even finish watching this video, what you can only do is just go in the description below, tap on the link, and register this with this platform. So right now it's actually taking me to check out on a checkout page. So guys, I've already told you the link to this platform is in my bio, and all the discount codes whatsoever are in down below or on my bio. And please use my link and make sure you utilize those codes. If you really want these codes to work, use my link. So right now there are actually like plenty of payment methods, but I don't use debit cards because where I come from, this is like history. You can use a PayPal if you have. It's actually like instant. It works so great. You can use PayPal. But recently I was using PayPal, but because where I also come from, there's a lot of drama, PayPal stopped working. So you can actually like just stick on Bitcoin, and I'm actually gonna recommend you the best thing that you can actually use. So right now we're going to press pay order. So it actually take us on to a Bitcoin page, Coinbase page. So don't be afraid, guys. I'm actually gonna tell you like the easiest, because like paying with crypto sometimes can be very crazy. But yeah, so when you come here, don't bother paying with Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, whatsoever, Tether. You're gonna pay a lot of fees, like network fees. The thing you need to do, just come here, choose Litecoin, LTC. Yeah, so you must have LTC in your bank account. If you don't have LTC, if you're from Malawi and you're looking for LTC or whatsoever, just hit me on Instagram or Facebook or whatsoever. The details are always in the description below. I can make it available for you. Yeah, you can actually buy it from me. But if you already have, just do 1 2 3 and make sure you have LTC. Send it to your address, not this one, but you need to copy this address whatsoever, 1 2 3 and you're done. After that, you're actually going to get emails like, you have completed your payment, 1 2 3, you have done this, 1 2 3, everything is done, and you're good to go. Guys, this is how you're going to purchase this is how you're going to purchase an account with FXIFY. Guys, it's actually like simple and very straightforward, and if you do that, that means you'll be welcomed on the board. You can actually start taking challenges. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video to the end, and I recommend you guys to use the link in the description below. And if you can actually use the link in the description below, let me know, and I'm also gonna share with you like some just tricks and tips on how you can pass your funded account. Otherwise, have a very good day. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and enjoy. All the best as well. All the best on your funded challenge.